Azure Synapse Ingestion from Blob is a process that allows you to load data from Azure Blob storage into Azure Synapse Analytics for analysis and reporting. To begin, you need to have an Azure Synapse workspace and a Blob storage account set up in your Azure environment. First, navigate to your Azure Synapse workspace and click on the Data tab. Then click on Linked Services and New Linked Service. Search for Azure Blob Storage and select it. Then enter your Blob storage account name and key. Next, click on the Data tab and then click on Datasets and New Dataset. Search for Azure Blob Storage and select it. Then link it to the Azure Blob Storage link service you created earlier. Now, you need to create a pipeline to ingest data from Blob storage into Azure Synapse. Click on the Integrate tab and then click on Pipelines and New Pipeline. Drag and drop the copy data activity into the pipeline and configure the source as Azure Blob storage and the sink as Azure Synapse Analytics. Then, you need to configure the mapping of the source and sink datasets. Make sure the data types match and the columns are correctly mapped. After configuring the pipeline, you can trigger it manually or schedule it to run at regular intervals. You can also monitor the pipeline run and check for any errors or issues. Best practices for Azure Synapse Ingestion from Blob include optimizing the performance of your pipeline by using techniques such as partitioning and parallel processing, handling errors and exceptions properly, and securing your data by using encryption and access controls. In conclusion, Azure Synapse Ingestion from Blob is a powerful feature that allows you to load data from Azure Blob storage into Azure Synapse Analytics for analysis and reporting. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a scalable and secure data ingestion pipeline that meets your business needs.